Good morning, guys. Today we're going to be doing the installation of the Seamaty SG1 arterial blood gas analyzer. So this machine is a point of care device that you can use in your SCBU, NSCU or ICU to test for your patient's blood gas. So this machine do more than blood gas. It does electrolytes, pH part of blood gas. So it does the analysis there. So it depends on the cartridge that you have. So first of all, we are going to do the calibration. It's a simple process which I will explain later on in the video. So this is the cartridge. This is what the cartridge looks like. Bringing out the cartridge. So your cartridge normally be kept in the fridge. So you see the small hole beside, that's where the blood sample will be. It's a whole blood, arterial blood. Though on the machine you have option to select which blood sample so that it will be displayed on the result for the doctor to know what blood sample you take. So you draw a blood on a syringe, not with a needle on it. You can use a pipette. You can use a pipette or a syringe directly. So you see that hole and try and escape bubble so that there won't be hair on that portion. So you're going to release the blood. I'm sorry, I was the one holding the camera, so I could not view the blood level. So but you see it after we show you, you're going to see. So there's a small hole there at that point that you're going to put the needle in, so you can see the level of the blood. So it will fill the small chamber there. Then you clip, cover, open that part, then you cover till you hear a click sound. So after the click sound, just insert and press test. You click on test. So it's telling you QC or sample. Then you select confirm. So to take during this process, you see info by the right hand side. Then you can now click it and edit the patient information. Now the patient's name, the patient's ID, age, gender, nationality, and so on and so forth. You can impute them. So when you are done, you click on save. So for the sake of time, I will divide this video into two sections so that it does not consume too much space. So after you're done imputing, so by the top right corner, that three dots by the top right corner there, click on it, then you click save. Okay. Then you press the back button by this side. Back button. So it will take you 3 minutes to do the test. Just 3 minutes. So I fast forwarded it actually. So the 3 minutes has completed. So it will print automatically. Then click select OK. So automatically you can see that it's printing. So that's it about the machine.